my dear students. So, how many of you have practiced writing your question answers in rough notebook? I hope you all must have practiced. So, and your written work is, I think, also completed. So, today we are going to start our third chapter, Continents and Ocean. Children, you know that our Earth is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. Now, how many of you know what is a continent? Yeah, very good. All of you know that continent is a very huge landmass. And what are oceans? Oceans are the large water bodies, very large water bodies are known as oceans. Now, see, this is your world map, and here we can see our 7 continents: North America, South America. You all know already: Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and this Antarctica. And now if we come to the oceans, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, then comes our third is the Indian Ocean, fourth one is the Antarctica or Southern Ocean, and the fifth one is the Arctic Ocean. Okay, children? So now we start with the first continent, that is Asia. Our first continent is Asia. And Asia is our biggest continent with largest population, highest population, largest area. How can we say that Asia's population is the highest? Now children, see here, this much area is total Asia. So you can see such a huge big area. Now in this area, China, the highest populous country of the world, and after that comes the India. So that is why our Asia is known as the highest populous continent, because two highest populous, that means the number of people. Population means number of people in a country. India and China that lie in Asia. Our India is an Asian country. Now Asia is known as a continent of extreme. Why? Extreme means सबसे ज़्यादा. Because the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, highest mountain range, Himalaya, is there. The deepest or the lowest part of the earth, Dead Sea, that also lies in our Asia. Dead Sea means why it is known as a Dead Sea, because no plantation is there, because water is too much salty. Okay, so that is why Asia is known as continent of extreme, because of highest mountain peak, highest mountain, and lowest part of the earth that lies in Asia. Now children, come here, the exercise. How much part of the earth's surface have water? It's 3. Okay, and Asia is known as the continent of extremes. You can mark it in your book. Second continent, we come to Africa. Now Africa is the second largest continent. Okay, area wise it is the second largest continent. Just children, want to see here one thing. This is our Africa. Okay, Africa, you can see on the eastern side of the Africa, Indian Ocean, and on the western side we are having the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, two oceans are there. On the eastern side we are having Indian Ocean, and on the western side we are having Atlantic Ocean. Now here you see, this one is the Red Sea. Red Sea on the northeast. This is Africa, you can see. This is Africa, and this is the northern eastern part of Africa, and here you can see Red Sea. Okay. Now one more thing children, you can see here the equator. Equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into two parts, and equator is the hottest part of the earth. Our Africa lies above the equator and below the equator. Now see here, the largest desert, Sahara, is in Africa because it's very hot. Africa is hot because it lies close to equator. That is why it is very hot, and the hottest desert, Sahara, is in this Africa. And river Nile, it also flows through Africa. Next, third continent comes to the North America. Now first of all, North America, again first you will see it in the map. North America, here you can see the northern side Arctic Ocean is there, On the western part, Pacific Ocean is there, and on the eastern side, Atlantic Ocean is there. So children, I think you can judge, you can very clearly see here, this is Atlantic Ocean, this is Pacific Ocean, and here it is the Arctic Ocean. Okay, so North America is surrounded by three oceans. Now see here, third largest continent surrounded by Pacific Ocean. See here, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, and two of its country, Canada and US, they are together known as Anglo-American. Okay, only this much we have to read. Then we come to our fourth continent, that is the South America. South America, again we go back to our world map, and here again you can see here South America. South America, see here just that Pacific Ocean on the western side and on the eastern side Atlantic Ocean. Here I will mark it so that you can easily understand it. And on the southern part, here comes our southern or the Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so that means again South America is surrounded by three oceans. Now see here, this is Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, and Caribbean Sea in the north. Rest Amazon, main points I will tell you. Amazon is the largest river by volume, that means maximum amount of water is in the Amazon river, which is also in the South America. Okay, and the largest lake, the largest lake of South America is this Titicaca. Okay, children. So today we will go only with the four continents. Uh, you must read the chapter to understand it properly, and I am sending you practice assignment sheet answers also. Please go through the answers. Okay, bye children.